Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your Discord server to any site. One thing before this video starts, I want to say, please join the Discord server. Link will be down in the description down below. This server is filled with people. I'm currently hiring more mods, so if you are interested in that position, also join. The server we're going to be publishing is this server right here, the Tech Nerds. I made this server for a video, so this works with any upload site, but the one we're going to be using for this video is called Discord. Just type in Discord and it should be the first link, and once you are here, go ahead and log in to your Discord account, and then you can see all the servers that are published. We're gonna go ahead and click add a new server, and we're gonna select the server that we want to do this with. After that, you can see you can select language. If you have a different language, you can select it here. Category, so this would be a gaming server, so let's go ahead and select games. All games is fine. And then we can do gaming as one of the tags. We can do, if you have like a specific game, let's say Fortnite or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. And you can put a bunch of different tags right there. And then you can add like a description inside of here, like a whole mumbo jumbo, whatever. You can choose NSFW. Only choose this if you have inappropriate stuff inside of your server, and then you can press save. After that's done, you will have a new bot that should appear somewhere in your bots list. Let's do another example. Let's just search in Discord servers, and here's one, top.gg. Let's say we wanted to publish our server on top.gg. All we have to do is go to add Discord server, and there you go. You can see all the different servers. We can just do add to top.gg, invite bot, and we can invite the top.gg bot to our Discord server, and then we can just fill in a whole bunch of different information, so like the server invite link, and paste it inside of here. Then you can do a headline. This is a gaming server. You can do a long description. Please join this fun community where it is all fun and games. Obviously, if I were to actually publish this, I would take a bit more time on this. And you can do gaming as one of the tags. I mean, you can add a whole bunch of tags. Languages, you can choose your language. And social, you can add like different socials. Like say I wanted to add my YouTube, I could add my YouTube right there. And then you can press next step. And then after you're all done, just go ahead and press add server. Now, obviously, no one's going to join the server because I didn't do much to it, so it doesn't really matter. Not to mention with the thousands of other servers that are on here. We have a new bot. We can just give it our bots role really quick. And now if people go and browse through these different sites, they can find your server and they can join it if they would like to. Again, there's also the explorable Discord servers on Discord, the actual Discord app, but that requires you have a few things that are, one of them being Discord partnership, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a like, join the Discord server, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.